place to buy from?
What's your favorite patty? What's your favorite place to buy patty from?
Who makes the best patties to you? Where do you think is the best patty? Which place makes your favorite?
Welcome to another Jamaica Vibes Entertainment TV video. Now, if you is a Jamaican and love beef patty, then this is the video for you. I don't know, when it comes to beef patty in Jamaica, it's always a competition between tasty and, you know, me I say juicy beef. Yeah, but it's not about which patty tastes the best and which patty is better than which one and which one. And you know me I say, people, this is about which patty company is making moves and spreading them wings other than place than Jamaica. But if you think I lie, me I tell people, I go show you, man. But before me show you, make sure you like up the video, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Jamaica Vibes Entertainment TV, we're black again, my people. Now let's get ready and jump into the video.
The authentic flavors of Jamaica right here in New York City. We're talking about Juici Patties. Let's do it.
I can't wait. These are traditional Jamaican beef patties, and they're serving up right now in Brooklyn and the Bronx. So take a look, and then we're all going to look.
Wagwan, welcome to Juici Patties. My name is Christopher Chandler, I'm the general manager here. Let's go ahead and try some patties.
I live in the neighborhood and I've seen the lines around the block, so I'm like, I gotta see what it's all about.
Oh, I work the neighborhood, so I usually see like a long line standing outside, so I said, let's stop in and try with it.
In Jamaica, you have beaches, palm trees, and you have patties.
Juici Patties is a brand from Jamaica. They're established over there over 40 years ago. They started in a kitchen, and it has grown to an international brand.
I mean, you don't make it unless you make it in New York. And being that New York City is the #1 location in regards to Jamaicans outside of Jamaica in the U.S., we thought what better place to have, a ties to. So we felt we were home, and we wanted to kind of bring our culture and share it with the greater New York City.
Our patties are special because it is the authentic Jamaican patty. The taste that you get when you're in Jamaica, that's the taste you get here. It's the same spices, it is the same flavor, and we're just bringing it to you in New York.
So one of the things we wanted to focus on is keeping our menu simple and focus on patty. So basically you have 4 different types of patties. You have a spicy beef, which is the original. You have a mild beef, you have a spicy chicken, and then we have a vegan option, which is a spinach patty. And what you want to know is when you bite into this patty, if you don't have crumbs all over your clothes, all over your car, it's not a real patty.
And we also have cocoa bread on the menu, which is a very known way to eat the patty, where you take that patty and you put it in the cocoa bread and you are able to enjoy it kind of like a sandwich.
Okay, all the way from Delaware. All the way from Delaware.
We have people lining up sometimes 30 minutes before we even open, just because they want to be able to get that hot, fresh patty. And as soon as we do open, they come, they place their orders, they get their patties, and they're able to go on with their day and take a little bit of Jamaica with them.
I'm a proud Jamaican, so when I see people coming in and their enthusiasm for the brand, people would say, "Yo, man, I hope it's the same Juici Beef." So it's funny enough, like the back of my shirt says, yes, it's the real Juici Beef, because there's such a love for the brand, and people don't believe like, oh, it's going to be the same thing. And I think what's been amazing is when people come in and they're like, wow, this is actually the same exact Juici Beef in Jamaica. And yeah, this is run by Jamaicans, and it's a Jamaican brand, and it's authentic.
So good.
How's that for you?
Amazing.
Spicy beef. You got the mild.
I got the mild beef, and it's so delicious that I almost accidentally ate the whole thing before we came back.
I tried the vegan one in addition to the spicy beef. Also delicious, but that spicy beef.
So good.
Where
It's got a kick.
we need more locations. We just need more locations. We need one in Hudson Square.
Sam just offered up our brand new Disney building, the storefront.
If you would like,
I do this every day.
there's available space.
So delicious. So if you want to check them out, you can.
So there you have it, my people. Yeah, Juici Beef Patty has taken over New York City. People are go crazy for Juici Beef Patty. And right now them have 2 locations, one in Queens and one in the Bronx. You know what I say? But the people them just can't get enough. You know what I say? Yeah, and if you think of just New York City them there, they make a sad mistake. No man, check out which part them also the right, I know my people.
All right, time to talk about what is fresh. Jamaica's largest patty franchise making its way stateside.
Yes, in honor of Black Business Month, we're putting a spotlight here on a lot of young entrepreneurs. And as a matter of fact, this one bringing the flavors from her homeland to Hollywood. Alexis Frazier got a taste and joins us now with so much more. Alexis, we have been salivating over this all morning long in the teases.
I bet. Juici Patties is a staple in Jamaica with more than 60 locations on the island. And I got to speak with the woman who brought it to Broward first. Now, she tells me it's more than just a meal. It's a taste of home.
Welcome to Juici Patty.
Juici Patties is a staple in Jamaica, but now it's making its mark in South Florida.
We have 4 ovens. Every oven probably distributes about 200 plus patties. And we probably sell about 3,000 to 4,000 patties a day.
25-year-old Rhea Wright is the first to bring the franchise to the States.
And as you know, South Florida has a very large Caribbean community. So it was just something that I was always around, and Juici Patties is something that I grew up on. Every time that I would go to Jamaica, I'd always make sure as soon as I land, I grab a patty.
But now, no flight needed, bringing authentic flavors of Jamaica to Hollywood.
So it's really good. And you can add cheese, avocado, so you can kind of mix and add different flavors to it to kind of customize it to be your own.
For those who are unfamiliar, a Jamaican patty is a flaky pastry treat that is filled with various flavors, from savory beef to curried chicken. They're often enjoyed on their own or sandwiched between soft cocoa bread for another layer of deliciousness.
Our recipes come straight from Jamaica, so you can just taste that flakiness and the texture of the crust, even down to the meat, the flavor. We use a lot of Scotch bonnet, so we get that extra spice.
I'm ready to try the cocoa bread and patty combo.
Yes.
You know, I couldn't resist trying it myself.
Girl.
I got the spicy chicken patty. And what I like to do with the cocoa bread is put mine in it.
Do you like that flavor, right? So good.
You know it's good when you don't care how you look on camera.
Right.
It took almost 2 years to get things up and running, and now more locations are popping up across Broward.
To be able to bring this brand and something that I grew up on is just really an honor.
So one thing I love about this place, besides all the delicious flavors, the price point.
Okay.
You get a full meal for $10 or less. Like you can get one for like $7, depending on how many patties you want and how many cocoa breads. Like, it's very, very affordable.
That's
so for more
big.
information, just head to our website.
Because it's so many people obviously trying to save money.
Right.
You know,
Exactly.
Prices are high, so that's a really key price point to stay underneath.
Ooh, and Alexis, okay, so like you were saying, because you were biting right into that patty,
Right,
girl.
100%.
It was delicious and worth every single dollar, I bet.
Every single dollar. Maybe I'll bring you guys one.
Okay.
If y'all want to try it, let's
Maybe.
see what we could do. I have some time, right?
This maybe thing, Julie, I'm not sure I can handle the maybe.
Like it. We
That's
were
so
these
good.
all morning.
It's so
Alexis.
good.
It looks
We're
delicious.
drooling and salivating, Julie. Literally, we're ready. It's 6:48 a.m. and we're ready
You
for
ready
a
for
full patty.
You ready for
Yes.
a patty at 6? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Noted.
Just give me this.
So if you're in the New York City area, in the Queens and Bronx, it no matter which part in New York City, Brooklyn, Gallatin, Staten Island, run go over Queens and Bronx and get in a Juici Beef Patty. If you're there Florida, you don't know in the Hollywood area, Broad County area, they run go get in a Juici Beef Patty. You know what I say, people? Yeah. You know what I say, Jamaica, we say, you know, Jamaica food, Jamaica brand, and I want Jamaica. You know what I say, people? So if you like the video, people, make sure you give this video a like and thumb up the like button. You feel me? If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe to Jamaica Vibes Entertainment TV. We're black again, people. We're black again. Right on the YouTube space. So with that, we say walk good, live good. I don't know. We're checking out in our next video. You see it?